In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop your images on Wix Studio. Whether you're refining a photograph for your online portfolio or simply looking to improve your website's visuals, cropping images directly in Wix Studio is a straightforward process that can make a substantial difference in the overall appearance of your site. Let's dive right in to get you familiar with this useful feature. To begin, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Wix Studio workspace. Here, you'll notice an icon that resembles an image. This is your gateway to the media section. Clicking on it will bring you to a comprehensive library of all your media files, a convenient repository of everything you've uploaded to enhance the visual appeal of your site. Once you're in the media section, you'll want to zero in on what's known as your site files. This section is like a personalized vault of your content, displaying all the images and media that you've uploaded to Wix. Take a moment to browse through these files until you find the specific image you wish to crop. When you've identified the one you want to work with, simply click on it to reveal a suite of options on the right-hand side of your screen. Over on the right, you'll see a button labeled Actions. Clicking on Actions unfolds several opportunities for further customization, and among these options, you'll find one specifically for cropping and editing. Select Crop and Edit, and you'll be taken to the cropping interface. Now, cropping your image is as easy as dragging the edges. You'll see a resizable box surrounding your image. By clicking and holding on any edge or corner of this box, you can drag it inward or outward to define exactly which part of your image you'd like to keep. This user-friendly tool allows you to crop your image precisely to meet your design needs. This could be useful for focusing the viewer's attention on a specific subject within your photo, or for making the image fit into predefined spaces on your website. And that's it. As you can see, cropping your images on Wix Studio is not only a quick and simple process, but also a powerful way to enhance the visual dynamics of your website. Whether you're creating a seamless look across multiple pages or just aiming for a crisper image presentation, this tool provides the functionality to make swift adjustments directly from the Wix platform. By making good use of these editing capabilities, you can maintain a professional and cohesive aesthetic across your website. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!